The windows and doors in your home require regular maintenance and adjustment. If you find that you're having trouble opening and closing the windows and doors, check with your window manufacturer for recommendations on how to adjust your windows. Vacuuming and lightly lubricating the window tracks will help the windows to slide open more easily. Taking care of the doors in your home is also essential, both for maintaining the quality of your home and your safety. During the building process, your exterior doors are installed with a certain amount of clearance on all sides. The clearance is filled with flexible weather stripping to help maintain your doors and to keep water and air from coming into your home. Over time, the doors in your home may require adjustment to ensure that they latch properly to the strike plate, which is the metal plate attached to the door jamb with a hole to hold the door closed. If this happens, you may have to remove the screws to adjust the striker plate to the correct position. Windows and doors help maintain proper insulation in homes. If properly cared for, they will help create a comfortable home for the whole family.